Now I will show you something that we call the call beat. So we will dance on time 1, 3, 5, 7. There is a lot of shines playing on these times. So I will show you. I will cross 1 instead of doing 2. I will wait. So 1, 3. You say 5, 7. We call this dancing on the call beat. 1, 3, 5, 7, and I can go like this. But our shine it's something mixture of Suzy Q or hook steps with call beats. So we will have 2 speeds of rhythms. So we will 1 nothing, 3 nothing, and after you will have continuous 5, 6, 7, for example. So you will have to manage a little bit the rhythm. So I will show you the ghetto. Donc 1, 3. I will do a hook step here. Donc on 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go and close the shine. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again 1, 3, hook. 1, 3, hook again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's a very beautiful shine.